Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. In this video, we are making chicken koftas. So the ingredients that we need are 500 grams of chicken keema. You can make chicken keema through chopper at home. So we will add chopped garlic and green onion in the keema. Now we will add 4 tablespoons of gram flour. Also add 2 slices of breadcrumbs in it. Now add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add some spices in it like 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of crushed hot spices, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of powdered spices. Also add 1 egg in it. Mix all the added ingredients as well as you can. Now the mixture is ready. All the ingredients are mixed very well. Now grease your hands with the cooking oil. Now take some mixture. As you guys can see the thickness of the mixture. We have made one kofta from the mixture. As you guys can see, we have made the koftas. From this mixture we made almost 18 koftas. Now we will prepare the gravy of these koftas. At this point you can freeze them after steaming the koftas. Now for the making of gravy we have 3 onions, 8 to 10 garlics, 2 green peppers, small pieces of ginger that are cutting into small pieces. Also we have 2 tomatoes as well. For the making of gravy we will add half a cup of cooking oil. Now we will add garlic, ginger and tomatoes in the cooking oil. Now we will fry the given ingredients well. So viewers, you can see we have made the masala. Now we will add some spices in it. First of all, we will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chopped dry coriander. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin in it as well. Now we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water in it. Now cook it as well as you can. So viewers, we have grind the masala. It come up in the shape of gravy. Now add 3 to 4 elaichis. Also add 125 gram of yogurt in it. Make the flame high and mix the gravy as well as you can. Now add 1 teaspoon of spices to enhance the taste of it and half teaspoon of chaat masala. This chaat masala is optional, it is not permanent. Mix it as well as you can. Now we will add koftas in this gravy. As you guys can see, we have added the koftas. Now we will add 1 glass of water in it so koftas can become soft. So viewers, as you can see, the water we added is almost dry out. Now make the flame high a little bit. As you guys can see, the koftas become so soft and so delicious. So viewers, we will add 1 glass of water in it and cover it for 10 minutes. At this point, if you are enjoying this video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for new amazing videos and updates. So viewers, koftas are ready. As you can see the softness of them. Now we will serve them with naan and roti. So this is the recipe of koftas. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.